The first step to replacing the Mandrell assembly is to turn the ignition switch off and remove the key. Lift the mower hood and disconnect the spark plug wire. Lower the mower deck to its lowest position. Disengage the cutting blades. Roll the blade belt off the engine pulley and release the belt from the belt keepers. Remove the front lift link support retaining pin and washer, and then detach the support from the deck. Remove the left suspension arm retaining clip and then detach the arm from the mower frame. Remove the left rear deck bracket retaining clip and washer, and then release the bracket from the deck. Repeat the process on the other side of the deck to disconnect the right suspension arm and right rear deck bracket. Pull the deck out far enough to access the blade cable attached to the deck. Release the locking tabs and pull the blade cable out from the deck bracket. Disconnect the blade cable spring from the idler arm and move the cable aside. Pull the deck out from under the frame. Put a wood block between the blade and mower deck to keep the cutting blade from moving. Remove the pulley mounting nut and detach the pulley. Pull out the wood block and flip the mower deck over. Put the wood block back in place. Remove the blade mounting bolt and pull off the cutting blade. Remove the wood block and flip the deck upright. Remove the mandrel mounting bolts and pull the mandrel out from under the deck. Install the mandrel mounting bolts into the new mandrel to thread the mounting holes, and then remove the bolts. Position the new mandrel assembly in the deck opening and install the mounting bolts. Tighten the bolts firmly, and flip the deck over. With the correct side of the blade facing up, attach the blade to the new blade shaft and hand tighten the blade bolt. Put the wood block back in place and tighten the blade bolt firmly. Remove the wood block and flip the deck upright. Put the wood block back between the blade and the mower. Reinstall the pulley on the new mandrel assembly with the blade belt properly attached to the pulley. Tighten the mounting nut firmly. Remove the wood block. Push the deck near the mower frame. Connect the blade clutch cable spring to the idler arm. Push the blade clutch cable retainer into the deck bracket and engage the locking tabs. Position the deck under the mower frame. Reconnect the front lift link support to the deck using the washer and retaining clip. Reconnect the left suspension arm and deck bracket using the washers and retaining clips. Repeat the process to reconnect the right suspension arm and deck bracket. Route the blade belt through the belt keepers and roll the blade belt onto the engine pulley. Reconnect the spark plug wire and lower the mower hood.